Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make orange chocolate chip cookies. In this bowl here, I have 3 cups of oatmeal, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon baking soda. Stir it together. And set it aside. In another bowl here, I have 1 cup of margarine and add 2 eggs. And beat this together. And add 1 cup of brown sugar and half a cup of white sugar. And I will do this to get the rind of 1 orange. It's big. I have to use half of it. Half of the orange because it's just too big. And chop it up to small pieces. I will eat the half later for my snack. Put the chopped orange beside the rind. The rind, that's the peel of the 1 orange. Now I will add the dry ingredients into a cream mixture. The orange and the rind. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So I decided to add half of the orange. Now I will start dropping about tablespoonful of dough. Put it in here. I just flatten a little bit. And add chocolate chip cookies on top. Before I finish putting all the chips, I have to preheat the oven for 350 degrees. I'll bake this for 10 to 12 minutes or until lightly brown for 350 degrees. See you later. My first batch of cookies is ready. I'm going to transfer this into a cooling rack here. Let's taste the cookie. Very tasty. The orange. Blend all those together in here. Very good, guys. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.